In this video, we are going to learn how to add conditional logic in WordPress Elementor form. For this, we need to install and activate a plugin called Conditional Fields for Elementor form. Here it is, developed by Cool Plugins. Install and activate it. Once it is activated, refresh the Elementor editor page. Now add a new field. Give placeholder text to your field. Now select its upper field. Go to Advanced and give your field name a unique ID. Again, select the newly created field. There you will see a condition tabs. Select that tab and enable the condition. Now pass the unique field ID here which you have just give that above field. And value, give the name of the drop-down select option on which you want to show the specific conditional field. Make sure to give the exact name and take care of the text transform like uppercase, lowercase, etc. Once you done, click on the Publish button. Let's check that whether it is working or not. As you can see, if I select the different option then nothing is happening, but when I select the other option our conditional field is showing. It is working 100%. When I select different option, then our conditional field will disappear.